Now we'll do some practice with Chat GPT. Right now, I'm using Chat GPT Go. If you want, you can upgrade for free for 1 year. Just you need to submit your card details, but you won't get charged anything. So if you want, you can upgrade to Chat GPT Go with your card details for verification. You won't get charged for anything. Let's begin with simple questions with Chat GPT. What is 2 to the power of 10? Enter. Of course, it generates a true answer within seconds. But if you ask instead of 2, use 5. Enter. So just I asked instead of 2, use 5. So it's automatically replace 2 with 5 and generate the right answer. So based on the previous question, it's a predict the next question and giving and generating answers according to the previous questions. So if they don't have any information, they will generate based on the previous conversation. Same like if I give something like what is AI, explain in one line. After that, ask me, do you want anything? Enter. So it is explaining about AI in single line. After generating the result, it is asking, do you want anything? So this is called a tail prompt. So based on my prompt, it is generating a question. This is called a tail prompt. This prompt we can use when we are working on like a project or writing a book. For example, here I'm asking list out top 10 opinions on God. Let me add according to you. List out a top 10 opinions on God. According to you, list out single line statement top 10 opinions on God. After results, ask me want to generate 100 words content on each. Enter. So just I asked according to you, list out a single line statement top 10 opinions on God. So after generating the 10 opinions on God, just ask me want to generate 100 words content on each. See, here it is generated top 10 single statement opinions on God. And then it is asking, do you want me to generate 100 word content on each? This is called a tail prompt. By using this, simply if you say yes, it will generate 100 words on each sentence. Right here it is generated top 10 statements. Let's see one by one. God is seen as the creator of the universe. God represents ultimate love and compassion. God is believed to guide people through moral values. Some view God as a source of hope in difficult times. Many see God as an energy or universal power, not a person. God is considered the protector who watches over everyone. God symbolizes justice and fairness. Some believe God lives within every human as conscience. For many, God is understood through religion and spiritual practices. Some people do not believe in God but respect others' beliefs. So, except here, I'm asking just type yes. So, here we used style prompt, right? Do you want me to generate 100-word content on each? Just say yes. Let's see what's happening here. So it is automatically generating 100-word content for opinion 1. And then it is asking the next for opinion 2. So if it is okay for us, it will generate for a next like a statement to opinion. So even you can generate 1,000 words on each statement. Simply you can build a book about God. So by using this workflow, you can generate books within seconds. Not only generating books, even you can summarize large number of books into simple words. For example, here I am going to attach a 100 pages of Romeo and Juliet William Shakespeare book to the Chat GPT. I'm just asking to summarize attached book into 5 lines without missing base concept of the novel. So these large language models have a vision capabilities. If you attach an image or PDF that can able to read those PDF or image, and they can give answers based on those PDFs or images. Here it's generated 5 lines base concept of the novel Romeo Juliet. Same like you can attach an image as well, that these large language models can able to read that image and will generate answers, right? This is a 60 or 100 pages of PDF simply generated into 5 lines without missing the base concept of the Romeo and Juliet novel. Same like I will attach a image. For example, here I am attaching a diseased tomato leaf to find the disease, and I want to generate a solution for this disease. Let me ask, find the disease of attached leaf and generate solution in simple 2 lines. So just I attached diseased tomato leaf to the Chat GPT and asking to find the disease and generate a simple 2-line solution for this disease. So it's generated simple 2-line solution for this disease. The leaf in the image shows yellow patches with brown centers, which is a common sign of early blight. Simple 2-line solution is remove infected leaves and keep the plant area dry with a good airflow. Spray with a mild fungicide like copper-based spray or neem oil to stop the spread. So these large language models can able to help on ground level also. Even as a farmer, you can use these large language models for your regular life solutions, regular life problems. These large language models are the problem solving machines you can use for your regular practices. These all are very basic things. So if you know how to use a Chat GPT or other large language models wisely, they can become powerful assistants in our projects and daily life. Let's discuss more about these large language models. How can we use wisely?